Hey everybody, it's Tom. This is my entry into the mac and cheese challenge that's going on. Today, or tonight actually, I am going to be doing pizza, macaroni, and cheese. I'm recording this the night it's supposed to be up, so I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can. So let's get going. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted. And off camera, I've already got my macaroni going. Just read the box instructions on that. You'll be fine. Okay. Now, I'm going to add half a red pepper and half of a medium onion. And I'm going to cook this in the butter for a little bit, just to kind of take the edge off of it. Basically, I'm going to wait until the peppers soften up and the onions become translucent. This is going to help later when we actually assemble the mac and cheese, and you know, it's already going to be cooked, so when you're eating it, you don't feel like you're eating raw vegetables. Alright, now we're going to add the pepperoni. Let this cook down for a little bit. Heat up the pepperoni. Now we're going to add the flour. And now the milk. Now here's a trick. Something I've learned. If you're making a roux like this, if your fat and flour is hot and your milk is cold, you won't get any lumps, provided you stir it enough. If both are hot or both are cold, you're going to get lumps. So I could have added all the milk all at once, but I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to need. So I'm adding it a little bit at a time. Alright, my sauce is thickening up. Now I'm going to add some pizza seasoning. Probably about a tablespoon or so. And now comes the cheese. I'm using a mix of mozzarella. Probably about a cup of it. Now I'm making this pretty thick because with what I'm going to ultimately do with this, I want it to stay together fairly well. And I'm also using Colby Jack. Again, about a cup of it. Alright, let's turn my heat off. That looks like it's forming pretty well. Looks to be nice and cheesy, which is what I'm looking for. Let me taste it real quick. Oh yeah, that's good. Perfect. Alright, we'll be back. Alright everybody. Here is where I'm differentiating from everybody else. And this was my original plan from when I was in the hospital a couple weeks ago. I'd already decided back then that I was going to do pizza, macaroni, and cheese. Well, while I was in the hospital, you know, hospital food ain't that great. I was really craving pizza rolls. So, then it dawned on me, why don't I take my macaroni, my pizza macaroni and cheese, and turn them into pizza rolls with puff pastry. So this is what we're going to try to do. See if it works. I am going to take a spoonful of the mac and cheese. Maybe just a little bit more. Whoop. You'll have to bear with me here. This is all new to me. And I'm running raw and fast, so I didn't get to do any trial and error attempts. So we'll do that. Get a fork. Start crimping this down. Not sure how the execution on this is going to work out, but I think the idea is sound. I didn't have much time to, like I said, I didn't have much time to do any test runs or anything like I like to do. Here, let's get that in there. Alright, there's one. Let me get the rest of these done and in the oven, and we'll see how they go. We'll be back. Alright everybody, here it is. My macaroni and pizza macaroni and cheese pastries, basically. Let's cut these open, see what they look like, and see how they taste. Here's what they look like on the inside. Looks pretty darn good. Let's give it a taste. Mmm. That is good. The pastry's nice and light. You can still taste the mac and cheese with the pepperoni, the peppers, and the onion. Pretty much tastes like pizza. Try another one here. I'm doing this again. This is darn good. I think my kids would love this. So, anyway, here's my entry for the Not Your Average Mac and Cheese Challenge. I hope everybody likes it. If you do, please click thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. This is Tom. See you later.